Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 PC is stuck in safe mode and you're wondering how to get back to normal, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to turn off safe mode and get your PC running normally again. Let's dive in. First, open the Start menu and type Run in the search bar. Click on the Run icon to launch it. This tool lets us quickly access Windows system settings. Open System Configuration. Next, in the Run dialog box, type msconfig and hit enter. This opens the system configuration window where we can manage how Windows starts up. Set normal startup. Once the system configuration window is open, go to the General tab. Here, select normal startup. This tells Windows to start normally instead of loading any special modes. Disable Safe Boot. Now, switch to the Boot tab. If the Safe Boot option is checked, simply uncheck it. This step ensures Windows won't boot into safe mode the next time you restart. Apply changes and restart. After making these changes, click Apply, then confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. Finally, restart your computer. Once it reboots, your Windows 11 PC will start in normal mode, free from safe mode restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully turned off safe mode on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.